I would now like to invite the Honorary Chairman, Dr. Alam Pancholia, to formally welcome our fellow compatriots who have gathered here today to celebrate the occasion.
His Excellency Mr. Anurag Bhushan, Consul General of India to Dubai, Mrs. Neeta Bhushan, distinguished guests and dear friends, and hello my dearest students. The trustees, management, parents, staff and students of Indian High School Dubai take great pleasure in extending their warm greetings and good wishes to our fellow citizens across the world on this 65th Republic Day of India. It was on this auspicious day in the year 1950 when India became a true sovereign state or an independent republic with its own constitution. And this constitution is relevant even today after 65 years, shows the foresight of our leaders and their wisdom. The Republic Day of India is extremely unique occasion as it is the celebration of a nation's unity, different from the celebration of a nation's freedom that is normally observed by all other countries. As Indians residing in UAE, we are doubly blessed. We represent a country that is acknowledged as the world's largest democracy, and we live in a country that is acknowledged for its peaceful and progressive ideologies. India has advanced in all the fields. For example, launching of Mangalyaan to Mars in last November and launching of GSLV-D5 satellite launch vehicle successfully in January this year is the witness to our progress in the field of science and space technology, which was the right of only few developed nations in past. And this is just a fraction of achievements of our country. Similarly, the country where we reside is making progress in every sphere of life, be it infrastructure, education, commerce and industry, or care of environment. Events such as Dubai winning Expo 2020 do not happen unless the leadership is dynamic, sagacious, and has love and vision for the nation. Dear students, my message to you is very simple. You belong to a country and you reside in a country whose greatest strengths have been their leadership and their vision. As your leader today, I have a vision for this school and our students too. It is my desire that each one of you rise as leaders of tomorrow. My single line mantra to achieve leadership is live your dream and do it from your heart. But this is not as simple as said. If I may quote what Padma Vibhushan Sri Narayan Murthy, chairman of Infosys, said recently about leadership. He said, leadership is all about courage. Courage to dream, courage to take decisions, courage to execute and implement, and courage to accept failures. It is my appeal to teaching faculty that we train our children with the required skill sets of leadership such that they are in every way responsible, capable, and proficient. It is my suggestion to parents that we instill in our children such a robust value system, including moral values, that they will be able to withstand the challenges and discharge their duties with dignity, honesty, and grace. Our school and our students have remained achievers. Our students have represented UAE in the finals of 2 international competitions this year. The F1 Championship held at Texas, USA, and Cyber Forensic Challenge at New York. On the sports front, our school teams have recorded trailblazing performances in basketball and badminton by winning the UAE clusters and reaching the finals of CBSE sports meet. Our students Arusi Wahi collected 5 medals out of swimming competition in the CBSE championship. Our CBSE grade 10 and 12 students and their results have been par excellent, and our toppers have made the school proud. Rashtrapati ji last evening in a message to nation has said, education is no longer just the privilege of elite, but a universal right. Our trustees and our management firmly believes in this principle. Our school success inspires us to further invest in the development of the school and the welfare of students. The role of Board of Trustees, who so generously spend their time and energy in planning and structuring the growth chart of this institution, needs special mention. And we are lucky to have many of these stalwarts sitting on the dais to bless us on this auspicious day. Now coming to quality of education at Indian High School. Remaining an outstanding school continuously at KHDA inspections is no way a small feat and can only be achieved by vision and hard work put in by students, parents, teachers, staff and leaders of this school. On this glorious occasion of India's 65th Republic Day, I take this opportunity to wish each of you a happy Republic Day and join you in wishing our beloved country a strong, prosperous, and peaceful future. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words.